In the golden sands of Giza, a solitary pyramid pierces the dawn sky. 7 stories of limestone gleaming in first light. Over 4,500 years ago, without steel cranes or satellites, Egyptians moved millions of blocks. Recent excavations uncovered workers' villages, graffiti-marked labor gangs, and plentiful provisions. Technically, no slaves were used by the pharaoh. These were paid craftsmen and seasonal builders honored for their work. It began with Pharaoh Khufu's vision to unite a kingdom in shared purpose, a dream etched in stone. Master planners mapped every detail. Surveyors, architects, organizers, each role defined with precision. They built ramps of packed earth, leveraged simple machines, physics and muscle in perfect harmony. After the harvest, farmers traded fields for task, fed, housed, and respected for their work, an inspired workforce born of cooperation. Masons carved each block on site. Setters aligned them with cosmic precision. Craftsmanship passed down through generations. Daily drills at sunrise, measurements checked by starlight, discipline forged with every dawn. Block by block, they raised a mountain of stone, turning collective vision into a timeless wonder. Unity cast in limestone. Now imagine your own ambition. Clear vision, strategic planning, mutual respect, steady effort. Build your dream one block at a time. Monumental success is crafted by unity, skill, and dedication. This is your blueprint. This is your legacy.
Subscribe to 2-Minute Legacy for daily 2-minute lessons in history's wisdom and modern empathy deficit.